Hey there, food lovers!
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Hyderabadi cuisine and learn how to make a mouth-watering Hyderabadi Haleem. So, let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need 1 kilogram of mutton, 200 g of black pepper, 500 g of eggs, 500 grams of flour, 1 kilogram of salt, 500 g of cream, and 1 kilogram of water. Now, let's start cooking. First, we'll add 1 kilogram of mutton to a pot. Next, we'll add 200 grams of black pepper and 500 g of eggs. Mix everything together well. Now, let's add 500 grams of flour and 1 kilogram of salt. Mix everything together again. Next, we'll add 500 grams of cream and 1 kilogram of water. Mix everything together one last time, and that's it. Our Hyderabadi Haleem is ready to be served. This dish is a traditional Hyderabadi delicacy, and it's often served during the month of Ramadan. Haleem is a thick, hearty stew made from mutton, lentils, and wheat. It's a slow-cooked dish that requires patience and attention to detail. The key to making a perfect Haleem is in the cooking process. The mutton and lentils are cooked together with a blend of spices, including black pepper, until they form a thick, creamy mixture. The wheat is then added and cooked until it becomes tender. The final product is a rich, flavorful dish that's perfect for breaking the fast during Ramadan. So, there you have it, folks. A delicious and authentic Hyderabadi Haleem recipe that you can make at home. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.